आपको बताएं कि अमेरिकी सदर ट्रंप ने एक दफ़ा फिर वाज़े किया है कि ईरान का अफसूदा यूरेनियम हासिल करके रहेंगे। व्हाइट हाउस में मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहा कि हो सकता है ईरान की अफसूदा यूरेनियम हासिल करके उसे तलफ कर देंगे। यकीनी बनाएंगे कि ईरान के पास जौहरी हथियार ना हो, सख्त कदम भी उठा सकते हैं। उन्होंने आबनाए हुर्मस पर मुकम्मल कंट्रोल का भी दावा किया है। अमेरिकी सदर ने आबनाए हुर्मस में बगैर टोल टैक्स जहाज़ों की आमद और रफ्त पर भी जोर दिया।
Free. We don't want tolls. It's international. It's an international waterway. They're not charging tolls. Right now, they are losing $500 million a day is what it's projected. I don't know, it sounds like a lot of money, but whether it's 500 or 200 or 300, they're losing a lot of money. There hasn't been a ship that's been able to get through without our approval. And the Navy has done an amazing job. And no ship is going to Iran, as you know. No ship is going to, or out of Iran without our approval.
Can they keep their highly enriched uranium?
No. We get the highly enriched. We will get it. We don't need it. We don't want it. We'll probably destroy it after we get it, but we're not going to let them have it.